come to you. We just witnessed the grand launch of Alston Alchem. How are you feeling and what are your first impressions?
I think it's a great product, and you know what I really like about it is that you've got this panel size of 9.2 meters, and I think that's really revolutionary.
Amazing.
Revolutionary in its nature. Honeycomb will bring the flatness, and there are only so many people who can be pioneers and the rest are followers.
Wow.
I'd love to see Alston in that lead role. You have the skill sets, you have the R&D team, and we're just so happy to see more and more products coming out from your stable. You know, this kind of a material, okay, while it may be a panel and it's being used and it's done there, but I think the size and the flatness is what's going to be the change. But with this honeycomb panel, and you see larger sheets that are coming up, and also with the zinc cladding coming in,
Right.
I think you all have a great future.